Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. As you know that this is our second channel. Earlier, many videos were uploaded in Social Science with NK sir, and we are very glad that for your appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance in your Term 2 exam. And as you requested, sir, we need one more channel and we need some more contents from your team for our Term 2 exam. So my team is made this channel for your Term 2 exam, and we expect that this channel will be also grand success like Social Science with NKSR channel. And in this channel so far 200 plus videos are uploaded, and many videos are already recorded that will be uploaded soon. And we expect that this contents will be very helpful to get good marks in your Term 2 exam. So I believe that you subscribe this channel, Social Science Vidyapeeth channel, along with Social Science with NKSR channel, because as you know, every day we upload many informative videos, and so class 6 to 12 social science videos. So if you subscribe the channel, you will get the notification of the newly added videos instantly. Okay, so today my team is ready to record class 9 social and political life chapter, democracy in the contemporary world. And as I always advise you that you should sit with one notebook and a pen, so that you can write the correct answer of the questions, and in this way you can evaluate yourself. Okay, so shall we start now? And your first question is, what is La Moneda? What is La Moneda of this chapter's questions? Your options are Child's President Palace, Child's Royal Palace, Child's Political Party, and Child's Royal Army. And the right answer of this question is Child's Presidential Palace is known as the La Moneda. Okay, student, this is very important. You should remember this. Moving toward the next question, when did Allende's government was overthrown by the military? Your options are 11 September 1973, 11 September 1975, 21 September 1978, and 11 August 1983. And the right answer is 11 September 1973. Allende's government was overthrown by military. Okay. What did the military commanders ask Allende? To support them, to quit his supporters, to resign, or to favor the landlords? The right answer is to resign. So the military commanders asked Allende to resign. And moving toward the next question, how did Allende die? In a car accident, in an air crash, in a terror attack, or in a military attack? The right answer is Allende died because of the military attack. Moving toward the next question, question number 5. Who was the leader of the military coup in Chile? Your options are General Alberto Bachelet, General Augusto Pinochet, Michael Bachelet, and Lech Walesa. The right answer of this question is the leader of the military coup in Chile was General Augusto Pinochet. General Augusto Pinochet. Student, these are some important questions of the in different topics, inside topics of this chapter, and you should practice this question so that it will be helpful for you. Moving toward the next question, when did Pinochet's military dictatorship come to an end? And your options are 1978, 1981, 1981, and 1998. The right answer of this question is Pinochet's military dictatorship came to an end in the year of 1988. What happened in the city of the Gdansk in Poland on 14th August 1980? Lech Walesa brought out a massive rally. The worker of the Lenin shipyard killed their owner. The worker of the Lenin shipyard resumed their work. The worker of the Lenin shipyard went on a strike. The right answer of this question is the worker of the Lenin shipyard went on a strike in 14th August 1980 in Poland. Moving toward the next question, who was the leader of the striking workers in the Gdansk? General Jaruzelski, General Pinochet, Lech Walesa, and Salvador Allende. So the leader of the striking worker in Dansk was Lech Walesa. Okay. Moving toward the next question, what happened in Poland in December 1981? Martial law was lifted, martial law was imposed, General Jaruzelski was killed, and democracy was established. So in December 1981 in Poland, martial law was imposed. Okay. What was Lech Walesa in October 1990? Leader of the striking worker in Dansk, president of the Poland, an electrician of shipyard, and a common man in Poland. So Lech Walesa in October 1990, he was the president of the Poland. Okay, which of the following countries was not democratic in 1975? Pakistan, India, Myanmar, New Zealand. The right answer is Myanmar was not not democratic country in 1975. When was universal adult franchise granted in India? Your options are 1950, 1947, 1944, 1942. The right answer is 1950, universal adult franchise granted in India in the year of 1950. Moving toward the next question, in which year did Ghana become independent? 1947, 1950, 1957 and 1961. The right answer is Ghana became independent in the year of 1957. Okay. In which year did democratic rule end in Myanmar? Your options are 1960, 1962, 1970, 1972. The right answer is 1962. The democratic rule end in the Myanmar. Moving toward the next questions, what was the full form of IMF? International Monetary Fund, International Money Fund, International Monetary Foundation, International Monetary Foundation. Okay. The right answer is International Monetary Foundation. What is the number of the member countries in the UN? Your options are 192, 193, 194, 195. The right answer is 192 member countries are there in the United Nations. Moving toward the next question, which of the following is not a permanent member of the United Nations? And your options are Russia, France, China and India. So India so far is not the permanent member of the United Nations. Okay. Moving toward the next questions, which country is the name of the Saddam Hussein associated with? Your options are Iran, Myanmar, Iraq and Saudi Arabia. The right answer is Iraq. So students, these are some of the important MCQ which was prepared from the inside of this chapter. Each topic from this chapter. I hope this MCQ based questions will be very helpful for you to get good marks in your term 2. We'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions of another chapter. Thank you.